Okay, in this video we're going to just focus in exclusively on interpolating K from P. Okay, this is the first step in calculating Km using the Km equals Kb plus Bm. Okay, so I'm going to give you a P. Okay, let's say if I gave you a P equals 0.725, what does K equal to? Okay. Well, 0.725 is smack dab between 0.70 and 0.75, okay? And so your K value is going to be smack dab between 0.042 and 0.048. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reproduce this part, okay, the 0.7, I'm going to reproduce the part of the PK table over here. So I'm going to have, here's my P, here's my K, okay? Oh, God, that's terrible K. All right, so I got 0.70 and I've got 0.75, okay? And I'm going to write in my K's over here, 0.042 and 0.048. Okay. Oh, shoot. Let me just get rid of that. 0.048. Okay? Okay, now, I got 0.725. So that is going to be smack dab in the middle of these two. Okay? So I'm going to write it in there. 0.725. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find the K value over on this side. I'm going to have to interpolate for that. I'm just going to let that be represented by the variable K. You could put X, Y, doesn't matter anything. I'm just going to put K in there. Okay, now, what I'm going to have to do now is set up some proportions. So I'm going to start over here on the P side. And I'm gonna do, see this here, the difference between these two. I'm gonna call that number 1, okay? And the difference between these two, I'm gonna call number 2, okay? So this was the difference between my actual p-value and the lower number. That's 1. Okay, and you can see that the difference between the brackets, 0.7, 0.75, is labeled number 2. Well, it kind of makes sense. 1 is smaller than 2. 2 is the big one. 1 is the small one. Well, since I did 1, 2, I got to do 3, 4 over here. But since 1 was the difference between the bottom and what I'm looking for, 3 is going to be this. Okay, so I'm going to go 3. 4. Okay? So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some proportions here. And it's going to be like this. I'm going to go 1 divided by 2 equals 3 divided by 4. Okay? So the small one is on the top divided by the big one. That was for the left side. See, this is all the stuff. We're on the left side. P's on the left. K's on the right. So over here, these are for P. Over here, these are for K. Everything, okay? So it's almost like you put in equals in the middle of here, okay? So the small one was on the top, the big one was on the bottom. Here, the small one is on the top, the big one's on the bottom. Now I'm going to just So 1 is going to be 0.725 minus 0.70. 0.725 minus 0.70 divided by 0.75 minus 0.70 equals, now it's going to be, I don't have a number for K, so I'm just going to let it be represented by the variable K, minus 0.042 divided by the whole outside, 0.048 minus 0.042. Now you get on your calculator and you start to do some of this math. Well, you don't have to use your calculator, but maybe you want to, okay? So the difference between these two is going to be 0.025. And this is going to be 0.05. Oh gosh, those little points aren't really coming out so well, are they? Equals K minus 0.042 divided by 0.006. Okay, so if you can't do that in your head, okay, on a test, I would suggest you do that with the calculator. Okay, 0.006. Now I got to get rid of the 0.006, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 0.006. All right, so so I'm going to get 0.006 times. All right. So if I multiply both sides by 0.006, all right, essentially this, that's going to cancel out the 0.006 on this side. Okay? 0.006 divided by 0.006, they cancel out on this side, and I end up with it being multiplied by these guys over here. Equals K minus 0.042. Well, now I got to get rid of the 0.042. I got to get it over here. So I'm going to add 0.042 to both sides, right? 0.042, and this becomes 0.006 times 0.025 divided by 0.05 plus 0.042. Okay, and that's going to equal K. So K, after I do all that math, K equals 0.045. 0.045. Okay? So that's that. All right? I'm going to do another one over here now. I'm going to give you a P. Okay? P equals 0.832. Okay, let me clean that up a little bit. P equals 0.832. So 832 is going to be smack dab kind of in the middle of these two, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to do 0.8, 0.832, 0.85, that's my P. My K is going to be 0.055. I'm looking for that K between that and 0.062. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to do my 1. I'm going to do my 2 is 3 and 4. So 1 divided by 2 equals 3 divided by 4. Okay? Geez, that's messy, but you can figure it out. I hope you can. All right. So now I'm going to do 0.832 minus 0.80 divided by 0.85 minus 0.80 equals K minus 0.055, excuse me, 055, 0.055 divided by 0.062 minus 0.055, okay? So this is going to start simplifying into 0.032, 0.032 divided by 0.05, okay, 0.05 equals K minus 0.055, 0.055 divided by 0.007, 0.007, okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll multiply both sides by 0.007, okay, so, all right, so let's just go ahead and do that. 0.007. So when you multiply 0.007, I'm actually going to just kind of do that right now on the side. 0.007 times 0.032 divided by 0.05, that equals 0.00448. Okay? So let me just write that in right here. 0.00448. 448 equals K minus 0.055. Well, I got to get rid of this over here, so I'm going to add 0.055 to both sides. Okay, it's going to cross out there, 0.055, and that is going to be my answer. I just add those two numbers together. Let me just clean that up a little bit. 0.055. Okay? And you end up with, what's the final answer there? 0.0595. K equals 0.0595, which really would round up to 0.060. Okay? And that's that.